Haruna Idrissu misfired. Look, my brother has tried to explain it. It's unsustainable. What did he mean by the president should not do what he ought to do by law? What did he mean by that? Indeed, it was needless and misguided. That's a gentleman I actually admire. I like. I think he's going to be one of the best politicians we've had in this country going to the future.
If he goes this way, he won't be the best politician.
Yes, that's why I'm cautioning him, because I like him. And I think he's done well for himself. At this stage, as a minority leader, it's no joke. But there was no basis for what he did. What did he want the president to do? Did he want the president to step into a minefield by his advice? And the consensus here is clear. My brother even tried to polish it. It cannot be polished. So please, look, this matter must be investigated, even if by the Satan.